教えてよ。
なんでの、じゃあ最初は乗らなかったんだよ。おい、おう。
I doubt it. Whoa, no way.
What's this?
Wow.
See that?
Cool, isn't it?
Ah, there's a ceiling.
Nearly. Not quite. I can't reach it. Come on then. No bowl.
Yeah.
I thought something was missing. Okay. It should be okay. I'm not sure, a little bit. Fine.
Oh yes.
So you don't usually need to sieve it. Okay, so you put in the gluten, the flour. We need 100 grams of gluten-free self-raising flour. It should fit in that bowl. But it's more fine. Okay, but now we have to just like fold it over, okay? Very gently. Because if you do it too hard, flat, horrible, and then you can't roll in it either. So. If you turn it and you see flour, you need to get rid of the flour. You need to keep turning it until it's gone. Shall I just have a look? No, that's okay. Yeah, I think so. A little bit of oil. It's just a little bit of flour. Okay, you can nearly see through it, so that's nice. Yeah, okay. The lumps don't stay there, you know, because like when you make an ordinary cake, the lumps are usually butter or something like that, so it makes like when it's baked, the butter melts and it's a hole or something, but there's no butter in it, so it will just, and that's it, yeah, it'll just go. Okay. Now you need to tip this into there gently again. Just have to be gentle with this cake. Oh no, vanilla. Vanilla, sorry. Good luck!
Yay! Oh.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Just a 10?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh.
Starting now.
No more, no less. The jam.
Yes.
All over. When you roll the cake, the sugar will be everywhere. It's messy. It's a messy job. But you need to get right to the edges because that's the part that you can see. When you might need some more jam, I think. It's still warm.
Yeah.
Yay! Sensei! Thank you!
Hey, you're winning.
Hey, get out of my fish pond. Hey, cheat! One hand. Cheater, cheater. Hey, cheating. Ah, that's cheating.
Yay!
Oh, now they're in a knot.
What? I wasn't there.
You were? Yeah. So I don't know where you were or what you were doing.
And then what
Please? I don't know what you were doing. It was funny. It was really funny, wasn't it? So try and throw the ball for Ruby. Ruby! Ruby! Oh, being another squirrel. That's it, now throw it hard that way. Because she can run all the time on her own. Yeah.
No,
it's the colour.
So it's like a ketchup taste.
This is
Ruby, go and lay down.
a proper Indian restaurant, so they have all the proper, the food is the proper colour tikka should be.
What you
Sorry.
want? Do you want some garlic rice? Want to put some on your plate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trying to barge you, actually.
I just very well.
Do you like them? I like them too.
Tell me how much rice would you like? Okay.
I think that's enough.
Okay. Maybe that's some garlic rice?
Yep, I love some food.
This is enough because I'm going to have some different more rice.
And do you want to try this rice too?
Do you want to do that?
Yes,
Chicken?
please.
Do you want me- would you like me to do it?
Garlic rice.
Tell me one, yeah? Is that enough?
Is it? Do you want to try that as well?
Rice.
あ、して見せて。どんなゴラゴラ。おお、すごい。これはもう抜けるよ。やってみるでしょ。引っ掛けるよ。いいよ。よし。オッケー、隠れた。オッケー。抜けた。
マミ抜けたよ。
やったー。本当見せて。お。
手作りに手紙書こう。
そうだね。手作りに手紙書こう。今日来るんじゃない今度。
うん
あ、よし書こう。いや。やったじゃん。よかったね。
Bricks made out of bricks made out of teeth, quickly in squares. Gosh, quite a lot to do. Good night.
ない。フェアリー来たんだね。お。何入ってる。やったー。来たんだ。よかったね。お返事もくれたのかな。なんか書いてるね。よかったね。はい。書いてるからね。
緑だからそんなに。
そうだね。
クレヨン。
クレヨン置いていたもんね。なんて聞いたの？